normal day for majority of nations in the world. But it is perhaps the most important day for the Muslims living in subcontinents, as it is the day when they were able to achieve their dreamland after a long head strongly in the form of Islamic Republic of Pakistan in 1964. Sir, this award was overcome by Quaid Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah with the help of several
India को
visionary
मिटाएंगे,
colleges like
पाकिस्तान जीतेगा।
Allama Iqbal, Muhammad Ali Johar and Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Respect sir, the name Pakistan was made by combining two separate words, Pak meaning Patrias and Stan meaning homeland. The Muslims of Pakistan celebrate this day like Eid full of joy and happiness with friends and families. In last, I pray from Allah that He always put His blessing and mercy on our broad homeland. Amin. अपनी मिल्लत पर क्यास अक़वाम मगरिब से ना कर, अपनी मिल्लत पर क्यास अक़वाम मगरिब से ना कर, खास तरकीब में कौम रसूल हाशमी.